Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a twist out, actually using one of the products that came in my brand ambassador box. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it below so you can watch it, catch up on my news. But yeah, I'm gonna do it actually on dry hair, even though it's recommended that you do it on wet hair. But in all honesty, I don't feel like wetting my hair again, so we're not gonna do that part. But it's still gonna turn out good because it's Elegant Naturals. Like, it's gonna happen. But the product I'm using is the Totally Twisted Lock Butter. I don't know if y'all can see it, but this is what it looks like. And yeah, we're gonna see how it turns out. This is gonna be like my first time using it, so I'm excited. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is actually part my hair into 4 sections. Part of me loves having my nails done, but the other part of me doesn't, for the simple fact that, like, I feel like it's harder. I don't know, I feel like it's harder to do my hair this way, but they're cute. So I don't mind. Okay. It is definitely gonna give my hair shine. I can already tell. And that much needed moisture. We love moisture. I don't know why my nose is itching, y'all. Like, for real itchy out here. Okay, so I'm just gonna do quick so y'all can see. It's actually, it's pretty nice. And now I'm just gonna stop talking so y'all can watch the video and enjoy the video.
Fingers down my spine, girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine?
now that my twists are done, I actually have some things to do today, so I'm gonna sit under my hooded dryer quick and let it dry. Okay, okay. Y'all, let's just hold up. Let's just discuss, shall we? I'm still gonna pick some more, but come through Alec with this lock butter. Y'all, my hair is moisturized. I told y'all my hair is gonna be shiny, and it is. I'm quite happy. See y'all in my next video. Peace and love. Bye y'all.